the way I didn't realize that I still haven't done an intro for this, I mean, I guess a vlog. Hi! Welcome to a vlog that maybe I'll edit in about like what, 4 months? But yeah, how is everyone? Hope you are doing well. Today, I think I'm about to have an interesting day, I guess. Cause I am waiting on my package to arrive right now. So look at my earbud case right now. Cute, right? I am also, after getting the package, I'm gonna fucking go and go meet my bestie, and we're gonna ice skate and unbox our NCT album that we ordered together. It's my first K-pop album that I ever ordered, so I wonder who I'm gonna pull in the photo cards and like all the thingies. It's an NCT album. You're gonna be like, that's a boy group. Yeah. And I'll do it again. I'll buy another NCT album if I have to. Because I really like the group. It's really fun and cute. Also planning on buying the aespa jewel case one. So maybe in the future I'll get the aespa jewel case one. So yeah. This is gonna be a fully packed day. So we're I guess. So we're here. It's a little thingy in the park, like ice skating in the park. Oh my god! Bye. Oh my god! It's the way we have the whole thing for ourselves. It's the way I haven't done this in so long. How are we feeling? Ay, puto. The way I'm almost breaking my ass. Anyways, it's really fun. My bestie is just oh my god. Okay, are you ready? This is the outfit of the day. I have like kind of like a cashmere turtleneck with the gilet vest. I don't know what to call it. Right? Serving corn, serving I don't know what else. But yeah. So we got done. And we are now gonna go to McDonald's because we're hungry. I need a snack.
I get my clothes. I get playing circle card. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Super Jam?
Period. Ew, we were actually doing this in public, yeah.
Yung postcard.
Okay. Oh god, I need to like flip it so that you actually. Ew! Jesus.
1, 2, 3.
Johnny! Oh my god! We're actually filling each other's faces.
It's so fun. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Johnny. True?
You want to go?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Queen. Girl, you have done it again.
I don't mind doing.
Okay, now the PC. I'm scared.
1, 2, 3.
You don't mark.
We got our fires.
I did an oopsie. And I accidentally I said dick on accident.
What did you do? What? Suck dick on accident. How the fuck do you suck dick on
I impulsively bought the NCT greetings. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it. Whoa! And then are these? Oh!
C'est un agenda?
Is it an agenda? Whoa! And we have stickers!
cute.
Ah! What is this?
It's like premium pictures.
Oh! Oh! I don't understand.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, try to read it.
Na. Okay.
Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Girl, we had- it's the way we were trying to guess and we had the members' names at the bottom.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, am I supposed to like... We get one of every member. We have Johnny. Tail. Have Tail. Yuta. Have Taeyong. Oh, so cute.
The one and only.
안녕하세요.
Jamal.
Jamal. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. Oh my god, he's in a pose. Isn't he? On my photo card, the other one. And then we have Dan.
Might steal it. No.
Addiction.
It's so pretty.
aespa.
C'est mon premier jewel case.
Oh.
No, it probably.
Oh my god, no.
I will find a way.
Oh. Huh? Do we have two different versions?
Why? Wait, there's a photo of mine?
What is happening? Anyways, why do we have a hollow? I'm so confused.
Ya basta de estupideces.
I saw. Oh god. What are... It's the
But
same.
it's so small. Mine is not hollow.
What? Mais je comprends pas du tout.
Okay, it's serving.
Yeah, there's certain looks, but that's so weird. I think the hollow I know, mais du coup c'est celui que j'ai vu. I got Karina!
Winter!
What? You want
Cute!
Parce que, ben, je sais pas.
You prefer winter?
Mais j'ai aucune préférence.
I don't mind.
Okay, okay, let's see.
White one.
Three.
Maybe.
Oh! Karina! Oh my god, I gotta go with this.
You always got sets. Oh my god, I got Nene.
Oh my god, she got her bias.
Yes.
Wow. Mais je comprends vraiment pas pourquoi t'as... Like, the photo book is not...
Yeah, I don't know. And plus, mine is broken, so...
I fell in love with an emo girl. All I want is an emo.
At least I got Nene.
She got her bias.
Oh,
Look at Slay.
come on.
Slay, our pose are Slay.